everyone. Today we will introduce the 3D HIFU about operation and training. Just now our coworker already introduced the M sculpting. So now we will teach you how to use our 3D HIFU, and it included how to mark on the face and how to adjust the perimeter and how to do on the face and the arm. So later we will use our model to come here and to have a training. So first we need to take the photo before we treatment. First we will take a photo about in front and behind and inside of the hand face. Okay. So later our trainer will teach you how to operation on the face. Okay. Now we will introduce about this machine first. About the 3D HIFU, it will have 3-piece cartridges. Like we see, it have the 3 pieces. The first is 8 millimeters, and this one is 3 millimeters, and the other one is 4.5 millimeters. This machine will come up 3 pieces. 3 and 4, 5 is for face and for face lifting and wrinkle removal. We can use to treatment around the eyes and around the mouth and face and neck. So for the body one, we will use the body slimming like the belly and arm, and for example for our leg we can use the 8 millimeters. But in addition, we also have other cartridges for different parts, such as we have 10 and 30 millimeters. So you can choose when you need and will treatment. About the before we treatment, we need to add the water inside of the cartridges. We need to put distilled water, and later our trainer will teach you how to use it. About the secret, we will see the machine have 2 models, the professional and the guide model. For example, if you have used this machine before, we can use the professional. For this part, we can adjust the different parameter for the treatment area. But later we will show you about one chart about how to treat arm and different area. For this part, we will save the treatment model, and then we can back to see the guide model. For the guide model, it has the different parts. At most time, we will use it to treat face and the breast and the arm and belly and the neck for different of the body. So for the different color, we will see the deep one is V400, and for the pink color, we will see you can use the lower to see the treatment. Okay, so now our trainer will teach you how to add the water inside of the cartridges. So first, it have a small part. We will use the needle. The water will come out. That means now the water is full. Then we will put the needle inside of the cartridges and then put the water. When it come out, that means the cartridges is come full. So you can put it off. Okay, now we will see. You can hear the water is inside. So when it is full, we can put it on the handle to start operation. Okay. Now our model come here to the face. We use this one to put up to show the face and the treatment area. Before the treatment, we need the mark on the face. For example, we have the. Now we start the treatment. Use the cartridges from the neck. At first, we can start from the neck. The one size cartridges, that means one shot. When we treatment, we need to avoid the middle of the neck, and this is forbidden area. Okay. If you want to treatment, you can use the lower energy, but at most time we don't suggest you treat around the eyes and around the mouth. Okay. When we treatment, we will see for the apart this part we don't do treatment, and the middle of the forehand is also a hidden part. As usual, before the treatment, we need to wash the face and clean the face, and don't put the makeup. Okay. Now we already finished the mark on the face, so we will put the cooling gel on the skin. Okay. For this cooling gel, you can buy it from local medical store, and this is very easy to find. So for this machine, if you need, we also can help find it in China. We are putting the cooling gel on the treatment area. Don't need to put too much. Before the treatment, maybe some clients will ask why we need to put the cooling gel. That means the first is the gel will help to deliver the energy, and also it can reduce the painful with the treatment. So clients will feel more comfortable and more comfortable. Okay. Before treatment, we will start the treatment for neck, and just now we already adjust the power from 0.7 joules from start. The cartridges we use 1.5 millimeter to treat the neck. And when we treatment, you need to ask the patient about the feeling. If he feel a little painful, we can adjust lower energy. So now how about your feeling with your treatment? Now we use 1.7 joules. Okay, if the client no feeling, if client no feeling, we can adjust higher. Now the power is 1.2 joules, so we can start again. How about feeling now?
A little hot.
Okay. When we treatment, we can treatment one part and no need to move. When it is used out, you can move next treatment area. We will see the photo of the sequence. When all of the point is right, that means the shots already used out. And now we setting it about six lines. When we treatment around the this lines, we need to move treatment because it's no fat, so we need a sleeve treatment. Before we treatment, we will see it will a little redness. So that's normal situation. So you don't need to think it's very safe. Before we treatment, we will see it have a little redness. So if client feel a little painful, we will make it a lower energy. And after treatment, we need to avoid the sunshine. Okay, now the parameter, the width is 10 millimeters and the length is 25. That means the total width, total width and the total length. And the clearance is point and point for the distance, and for the pitch is line and line. So that means when you choose the small area, you can make it small. You can use it small different parts. Also, when we treatment, we need to ask the client feeling, and from the treatment start from this part, and then is the neck. But apart this part, we need a sleeve treatment with lower energy. Okay, we can see the direction of the machine. When we treatment the face, we will see the handle direction. And from the face, we also can do sleeve treatment. But we need slowly because this machine energy is very evenly, so the effective will be better. And about this part, we also need a sleeve treatment. That means it is forbidden part. So about this part, we need a sleeve. And avoid about this part, we don't need treatment. And the forehand and around the eyes and around the mouth, we also don't need treatment. For the machine shots, we have the 20,000 and the 600s. But when we treatment the full of the face, we will use 300 to 500 shots. So that means about one cartridges we can use about over the 30 times. Okay, for this machine, if you have other more questions, you can message us, and also we will teach you how to solve this question. And about the V line, such as this part V lines, we can use the lines to do more shots. It's belong the small area everywhere, so we will use the short line. We can adjust the length is 11. Just now is 25. About the treatment, as usual, we can suggest you treatment course. About the treatment course, we will suggest you 1 month, about 1 time. So after 1 month, you can do second treatment. And after treatment, you don't need put hot water to wash face. You need to protect the skin and put mask in every day. About this technology is very safety, and now this machine is very famous technology for facelifting and body slimming, and this machine also is non-invasive and no painful treatment. That means this machine no painful on the epidermis, but it will treatment to our smart lawyer. So as we said before, the 3 millimeters is for epidermis, 4.5 millimeters is for dermis, and for the 8 millimeters we can use for body it is for more deeper skin. Okay. For the face, if client want to more effective treatment, we will use 4.5 millimeters to do first time. After then, the second time we will use the 3 millimeters to speed the treatment, and for the second treatment. Now we put the 3 millimeters. The powerful is 9089 joules. Okay. For this one, you can see the direction of the cartridges is we will for this part we can see the neck the neck wing is removed. The clearance is 1.1 millimeters and the pitch is 1.9 millimeters. And for the different for the different part, if you have question, you can message us. And also we have the different parameter guide, such as this part. So if you need, we will send this photo to you. After treatment, you need to avoid the sunshine. And also, if you want to further check, we will use lower energy from 0.5. And for this machine, if you still have any question, you can message us about the different cells, and we will give you the guide and operation lines. And in the future, we will have a training day during 1 month. So if you need, you can follow us on Facebook and to see more training. Today we are sculpting and 3D HIFU and diode laser. So later we will arrange the different live show. So if you interested, you can message us. And for all of the machine, we also have the promotion at this month. So more question, you can left a message. We also can treat 3 millimeters. And now use the short lens. And when we treatment, we need to put the cartridges close to the skin and the vertical treatment. How to say? We need to close the skin and don't have the space on the skin and the cartridges. Otherwise, the shots will be no use. And for the face, we already use 110 shots. So later we will treat another side of the face. As usual, for the whole of the face, we will need 3,000 to 400 face. And also, when you choose the belly and the leg, we will use 8. That means for the big treatment area, we need 500 shots. Okay, now we already finished the right of the face, so we can.
可以让镜头看一下。
Okay, for the forehand, we will use 1.5 millimeters for this part because this part is too thin and no have the too fat. So we will use this part. We will use 1.5. Okay, now we will see the treatment result. And for the second treatment, we will have next treatment after 1 month. Treatment, we will see after treatment, we don't need to avoid the sunshine. We need to avoid the sunshine and put the mark on the face every day because now the skin is very dry, so we need to put the mark on the face. So now we can clean the juice and to have the treatment to have the mark. Clean the juice. We need to clean the mark on the face. For this part, we can use
擦拭是向上擦的。
Okay.
往下走的。